Okay, let's talk about that curves sub D Clayoo. I mean, it's probably like Dave, Diamond Dave, I think, or someone said in the chat, uh, or Chimishar GH. I'm not sure. One of the two. Uh, you know, do draw your curves out there and then do a network curve or something. It's probably faster that way, but just so you know, it is possible to do it with Clayoo. So I'll just show it real quickly with the simple item here, right? I have just a ring rail out there, and this will just kind of show you, it takes longer, but you can do it. Let's see, let's go to Clayoo. Let's activate Clayoo. It pops up. So basically, I'm just going to, real quick, just so that we can kind of show this off, I'm just going to do from curve, right? Select my curve, and then I can adjust how I want it, right? And then I'll just go ahead and hit OK here, right? Now this is the Clayoo surface, and it says, Clayoo over there for the most part. So this isn't going to do us any good, right? So what we need to do is we need to go to the convert, right? So we can convert to nurbs, right? And it'll select Clayoo surface to convert nurbs. We're going to select this and then just hit enter. Do we want to delete the original object? Usually it's a good idea to keep it. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit no. And now we have two surfaces out there. And if I can click it in the right spot there, we have both of them, right? So I'm going to take Clayoo and hide it. So now we have a open poly surface. Okay, so that means each one of those are individual, right? So in order to get this all, because if we did let's see, transform, if we go to our auto base, select surface, first of all, it'll only give you one little piece, right? And that's not what we want, of course, probably, but you can do as many as you need to in order to get the surface you want. But what you need to do is go to your surface tab, scroll down to the very end, hit edit tools, go to merge, just click on first. Okay, it's not working because it's a poly surface. It's not exploded. They're not all individual surfaces, right? So we need to get out of that, right? And then we should, I should have done this before, is close out Clayoo. We don't need Clayoo anymore. We'll go to our surface, and then we'll take our item and we'll nuke it, right? So now we have all kind of surfaces out here. It divided it up into all those Clayoo faces, right? So we have it out there. So we go to our edit tools, we go to merge, and then select one, hit enter. Well, wait a minute. We need to select two nerve surface, sorry. So this one, and now it's one, right? And then I'll just right click, select that one and this one, and now we have the three, and I'll right click, select that surface to that surface. So it's just joining them all together, right? So basically all I'm doing is selecting one of the surfaces, right clicking, and then selecting the surface and the next surface right next to it, and it joins them together as a open surface, right? So if I do this all the way around, real quick here, right click, select this surface, 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 right click, select this one. Oh, right click this one, right click this one. Right clicking just brings back that merge command, as you can see right here, and then this one, and then this one, right? Now when I click it, we have an we have an open surface, and if I type in what, it'll say nurbs, right? So now what I can do is go to that transform, go to my auto base, select my auto base, and then boom, there's my entire item in auto base. So I guess, it doesn't really take, it depends on how many faces you got out there that if you want to do this. And then sometimes when you merge surfaces at certain angles, it might alter your design, so you'll have to, it is a NURB surface, so you can always go back in and turn on points and edit points if you needed to get a different shape or whatever. But just, yes, it can be done. Do you want to do it that way? There's better ways probably, but yes, absolutely, it can be done. So hopefully that helps. Let me know. Good luck.